Welcome to VBPS e-learning class. Students, I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Now students, this is your maths period. Myself is Anubha Agrawal and I am your maths teacher. Students, as you know that your periodic syllabus, that is chapter 4 fraction and chapter 7 percentage, we have completed now. So students, if you have any problem or any doubt in chapter 4, that is fraction, and chapter 7, that is percentage, you can ask me in your WhatsApp class group. Now students, as you know that your periodic exam is coming now, so nowadays I am taking your revision test of chapter 4, that is fraction, and chapter 7, that is percentage. Students, on 3rd October you all have given revision test of chapter 4 fraction and chapter 7 percentage. Students, I am very disappointed from this revision test because you all have not given good test at all. Students, you need to practice maths daily, because if you don't practice maths, you are not able to perform in your periodic exam. So students, if you have not practiced maths, please start from now. Practice it daily. Otherwise, you won't be able to perform in your periodic exam. Students, today I will take your revision test of chapter 7, that is percentage. Students, you can give revision test in your rough copy. On the top of the page, you have to write today's date, that is 5 October 2020. And on the top of the paper, you have to write your name, class, section, subject. After that, you will write revision test. Now students, let's start your revision test. All the best for your test. Students, this is your revision test paper. Now students, it is compulsory for you all to attend all the questions. Now come to question 1. Convert the following fractions into percents. A part 1 by 4, B part 8 by 10, C part 2 by 50, D part 28 by 100. Students, in this question, you are going to convert the given fractions into percents. Now come to question 2. Convert the following percents into fractions. A part 40%, B part 25%, C part 72%, D part 64%. Students, in this question, you are going to convert the given percents into fractions. Now come to question 3. Write the given percentages as decimals. A part 118%, B part 12%, C part 45%, D part 545%. Students, in this question, you are going to write the given percentages as decimals. Now come to question 4. What percent is 200 of 1000. Question 5. What percent is 12 of 48? Question 6. Write the table of 9. Students, it is compulsory for you all to attend all the 6 questions. Now students, you will write only answers of these questions, but you have to show working also. Students, you will not copy down the whole questions. Students, note down your homework. Tomorrow will be revision test of chapter 4 fractions, exercise 4A to 4E. Students, tomorrow I will take your revision test of chapter 4 fractions, exercise 4A to 4E. So students, practice chapter 4 in your rough copy. Now students, start writing your revision test in your rough copy.